In V-Ray Next, you can now isolate textures, materials, and lights in the viewport with a single click, making it easier than ever to debug and analyze your scene. If we click on the small V-Ray logo to the top left of the viewport, this will start an interactive render in the viewport. If we click on the circular button to the right, we can also enable the Nvidia Ai Denoiser for a fast and smooth preview. The third button here is the Isolate or Debug mode. Right-clicking on it will allow us to select which mode we want to work with. Let's first try out the lighting mode. This will temporarily disable the materials in the scene, so you can analyze and debug the lighting setup. Next, let's switch to the Wireframe mode. You can also preview the geometry's normals. Finally, let's take a closer look at the Isolate Selected mode. If we click on an element in the scene, it will isolate it so that it is the only element displayed in the render. You can also drag a selection to choose multiple elements at the same time. This mode makes it easy to concentrate on the selected elements or troubleshoot any problems you're having with them. In addition, another useful feature is that you can even select and isolate texture nodes. This makes it easy to see how each texture is contributing to your shader, or even to see how the whole shader looks without distractions. Lastly, we can test out the individual lights in the scene by opening up the light lister. Selecting each light disables the other lights, allowing us to see its individual contribution and how it affects the scene. Altogether, these modes enable you to understand your scene better and make faster decisions while working in V-Ray Next.